From a hygienic point of view, sanitary rooms are critical areas in contract cleaning. Therefore, the sanitary cleaning should be performed at least daily. A warning sign with the notice "slippery when wet" must be set up during the cleaning and the drying phase. Attention to personal protection equipment must be paid. Suitable protective gloves must be worn during all cleaning work involving the direct or possible contact with cleaning agents. Initially, consumables such as hand soap, paper towels, and toilet paper must be checked and refilled if necessary. During sanitary cleaning, the work is generally performed from clean to dirty and from top to bottom. Following the dusting of horizontal surfaces, in the next step, a yellow cleaning cloth is used. Optimally, a cleaning cloth is folded 3 times, as a result of which 16 clean cloth surfaces are available. Subsequently, the wetting with the cleaning solution is carried out. Provided the areas to be cleaned do not feature persistent mineral deposits, the use of a ready-made pH-neutral or alkaline sanitary maintenance cleaner is sufficient. In case of more persistent lime deposits, an acidic sanitary maintenance cleaner is used. The cloth is refolded after the cleaning of a finished surface, providing a clean cloth section for the next area. After using all cloth surfaces, the cleaning cloth is put in the laundry. A fresh cloth is used for further surfaces. An acidic sanitary maintenance cleaner is required for toilet bowls and urinals. After flushing, the sanitary cleaner is applied, undiluted, below the flush rim. Scrubbed with a toilet brush and flushed again after a sufficient acting time. Now the toilets and urinals, including the actuator plates for the flush and the adjoining splash area, are cleaned with a red cleaning cloth and the pH-neutral or alkaline ready-to-use sanitary cleaner. While selecting the cleaning agent, it is important to pay attention to the material compatibility of the surface to be cleaned in regard to acidic and alkaline resistance. The cleaning solution may not be sprayed directly onto the fittings, but instead is always applied to the cleaning cloth, because the spray mist, in particular in the event of acidic products, can penetrate the openings and gaps of the fittings and cause damage. Following the use of acidic sanitary cleaners on fittings, these must be rinsed with a sufficient amount of clean water. Specific contamination accrues in the sanitary area, such as lime deposits, skin oils, or excrement. In order to maintain hygiene, the surfaces that are subject to direct hand or skin contact must be cleaned particularly thoroughly, even when they do not appear dirty. In the next step, the refuse containers are emptied and provided with fresh bin liners. Subsequently, the gloves are disinfected with a quick-acting disinfectant or are disposed of. Finally, the floor is cleaned using a 2-step wet mopping method. The selection of the cleaning agent depends on the type of covering and the contamination to be removed. In order to remove mineral deposits of hardness, formers of water, an acidic cleaning agent can be used in intervals, preferably a surfactant-free cleaner in the event of porcelain stoneware tiles. The exact scope of the services of the sanitary maintenance cleaning is determined in the service specification.